This video is for all of those Class A morons out there. So if you're not one, just keep scrolling. And if you're still here, I'm going to share this golden nugget of knowledge with you. Big news, guys. Big news. I don't know if you can hear that. It's raining. And I know you've heard people say, I love the rain. I love the sound of the rain. Do you? Do you? Tell me what it sounds like. Because he can't. Apparently, you can't hear the actual rain. What you're hearing are the objects the rain is hitting. And if it wasn't for those objects, we wouldn't hear the rain at all. You can't hear the rain itself. Were you today years old when you found that out? Same.